Please all participants reply. Have you both tool R and RStudio in your laptop or R? If not, let me know. I will guide you, assist you how you install. Please all participants reply. If you have both tool, type yes, have both tools. If you don't have or have only one, type I have R only, I have RStudio only, so that I can move to next step according to your situation. Okay, I get maximum messages, yes. So no, we have tools. So okay, now please all participants click on your desktop and check here. There is a tool named R 4.4.2. Click on this button. It will show you a screen like this. It is the R programming. So please all participants open this tool and let me know it is working properly or not. Have you get this screen successfully or facing any issue, notification or error? In my case, this screen is visible without any error, so I am typing here done. If you get this screen by clicking on R on your desktop, then type done. If you are facing any issue or error, please you can let me know so that I can resolve your issue. Only two participant reply is done. So please all participant open this tool. This is found on your desktop R 4.4.2. Click on this button. It will show you screen like this. It will show you a page like this. Only three participant message is done. Please all participant reply. You are 8 participant. Okay, done. Okay, now close this. Click on no button. Okay, now come on search bar of your window. In search bar, find here RStudio app. RStudio app. Click on this button, RStudio app. It will show you the RStudio with 4 windows. So please done. You have get RStudio with 4 windows. There are 4 screens are visible in my screen. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So please all participant confirm. There is a message from Peter. I have 3. Okay. If you have 3 screens like this, just click on this maximize button. You will get 4 screens. Here is maximize button. Click on this button. It will show you 3 screens. Again click on this button. It will show you 4 screens. Okay, now we have two tools. One is R and second is the RStudio. We have two tools. First is R and second is RStudio. What is R? R is actually a programming language. Programming language. While RStudio is the IDE, Integrated Development Environment. R is the programming language, while RStudio is the IDE. What is mean by IDE? IDE mean a place, a environment where you can run R programming in easy way. For example, if you have two cars, car A and car B. This is the car A and this is car B. This car have only engine and some necessary part so that you can drive this car. But this car have all parts, but there is no engine in this car. So without engine it is a frame. There is no engine in this car. But this car have engine, you can drive this car. This car have no engine, although it is furnished, it is comfortable, it is good looking, but there is no engine in this car. So car A is R programming, car B is RStudio, like RStudio. You can drive a car A, you can drive R, but when you drive this car, you may face some difficulties like rain, sunlight, air, dust, and lot of other hurdles. But when you drive car B, you can ignore or you can move or you can drive this car without any hurdle or any difficulty. So car B is the best option, but there is no engine in this car. It is a frame. So RStudio is a frame. It just provide a space where you can run engine of car A. So R is the engine, RStudio is the frame. R is engine, RStudio is the frame. If you pick this engine and fit into RStudio, then you can drive car A, engine A within car B within RStudio. No, we have incorporated R into RStudio. So R is the engine, RStudio is the frame. So we will work on this engine of R programming but within RStudio. Now we have incorporated engine of R into RStudio. You can check in screen number 2, R 4.4.2. So R is available within RStudio. It's mean we have installed engine of R programming within car B are within RStudio. So car A is the engine and car B is the frame. R is the engine and RStudio is the frame. Okay. Now next all participants please make sure you have the latest version of RStudio. I have R 4.4.2 in console. You can check I have encircled R 4.4.2. So please all participants check the version of the R from here and let me know have you same 4.4.2 and type here your version name. Please all participants confirm me so that we can move to next step. If you have older version then you need to update or upgrade this version. Okay, all participants have same version and updated. Okay, thank you. Now next step is basic introduction about RStudio. Now we have fit the engine of R programming within RStudio. Now we will work in RStudio. In RStudio you can see three screens. Screen number 1, screen number 2, screen number 3, screen number 4. This is it is the screen number 1, screen number 2, 3, 4. But these screens also have some specific name. For example, screen number 1, screen number 1, name script file. Screen number 2, name console. Screen number 3, name global environment. Screen number 4, name plots or packages. Now we have 4 screens and each screen have specific name. Similarly, each screen have a specific role, specific task, specific work. Here you can see a word hashtag. In these lines, only one word belongs to our language. R is a programming language. Similarly, English, Urdu, Arabic, or other languages R also have vocabulary and grammar. So in my screen number 1, you can see a word of R programming, which is hashtag. Hashtag is the word of R programming. It's mean heading. It's mean heading, comments, or notes. It's mean heading, comments, or notes. No, these are the name. Here are their work. For example, script file. We can use it for script writing. When we write script in screen number 1 and run, it will give answer in screen number 2 screen number 3 and screen number 4. When we run a script, when we run a line in screen number 1, it will give answer in 3 screens. Its answer may be on screen number 2, it may be on screen number 3, it may be on screen number 4. The answer of the script in the form of paragraph. When the answer of script is in the form of paragraph, will appear in screen number 2. Paragraph, sentence or line. It will appear in screen number 2. When the result in the form of file, when you run a code, it import file, it will appear in screen number 3. Result in the form of file or matrix will appear in screen number 3. While the result of script or screen number 1 in the form of graph or plot will appear in screen number 4. The result of the script in the form of paragraph sentence will appear in screen number 2. The result in the form of file or data will appear in screen number 3, and the result in the form of graph will appear in screen number 4. Now I want to show an example how these files, how these screens are working. So you don't need to follow me, just watch and understand. First line is I am typing here data iris. When I type this dataset and press run button, it will show me the files. So the result of this script is in the form of file. I run data iris. The result of this script, the result of this line in the form of file. So it appeared in screen number 3, iris. No, I am running another line, str iris. Its result in the form of data appeared in screen number 2. Its result in the form of uh, sentence, paragraph or tables appeared in screen number 2. If the result of the script is in the form of plot, it will appear in screen number 4. Now you can see when I run a code line number 17, it is showing me a result in the form of file data. It appeared in screen number 3. When I run this code, its result in the form of table, paragraph, sentence, it appeared in screen number 2. When the result of this script is in the form of file, it appeared in screen number 4. Okay, please all participants, if you have any question, you can ask. If clear, please type clear so that I can move to next step. If clear, please type clear within Zoom chat so that I can move to next step. Please all participants, if you have any question, you can ask. If this topic is clear about the working of these 4 screen, type clear so that I can move to next step. Okay, clear. Okay, now next step is working directory. Next question is working directory. What is the working directory? How to how to create a working directory in R. So the first question is working directory. Working directory is a folder. Working directory is a folder which you will create by using R Studio. And this folder um, will have a file name R project. Working directory is a folder, and this folder must have a file name R project. We will create this folder by using RStudio. We will create this working directory by using RStudio. So, what is working directory? Working directory is a folder which consists of a file name R project, and by using RStudio, by using Python, or by using any other programming or other tools. Okay, now how we create a working directory? So for creating a working directory, all participants please click on screen number 3, screen number 2, screen number 3, and screen number 4. Click on screen number 3. Right side corner of screen number 3. Here you can find a project none button. At the top of the screen, right side, you can find a button named project none. In my case, it is showing me a Sidra. When you click on project none, it will show you a new project. So please all participants click on project none. Click on new project. Please click on new project. It is showing me want to save this. So I want to save. So I am clicking here save. After clicking save button, it will show me a screen like this. New directory, existing directory, version control. Click on new directory. After clicking new directory, you will get another page showing you multiple options. So here you need to choose first option, new project. Click on new project and give a name here, RNA underscore seq 4, because this batch is for RNA sequencing batch 4. So type RNA-seq batch 4. Here is a browse button. Select location where you want to save this file. So I want to save this file in local disk E. You can also give any location according to your PC or laptop space availability, or you can choose on desktop. Open. Now click on create project. When you click on create project, it will show you a new RStudio page. So now we are using a RNA sequencing 4 batch working directory. Now you can check in screen number 4, sorry, screen number 3. and the title changed RNA-seq 4. So please all participants create a working directory for RNA-seq 4 and type done within Zoom chat. I have done this step, so I am typing here done. Only 3 participants have typed done. If you are facing any issue or unable to create working directory, please let me know so that I can assist you. Okay, maximum participants have done. Okay, now click on this maximize button so that it shows you 4 screens, and the size of these 4 screens should be equal. Okay, now our next task is about packages. What are what is package? What are packages? How to install and activate packages in R. I want to give an example according to your field of study or according to your lab work. For example, today we have a student named Peter, and here is his supervisor, SP for supervisor. Peter is PhD scholar. No, Peter's supervisor say, please find temperature of this liquid of this sample. Peter will use thermometer and find its temperature. No, second task, uh, his supervisor say, please find its pH. So for calculating or finding pH, he need pH meter. Similarly, his supervisor give another task, find microorganism in this sample. So he need microscope. Microscope. Now his supervisor say, please find iron concentration. So for this he need atomic absorption spectrophotometer. Atomic absorption AAS. atomic absorption spectrophotometer. So in our lab or in our daily life, we need tools, we need instruments, we need machines to perform tasks, to perform daily life tasks, to perform our lab tasks, to perform our office task. We need tools. For example, we are on Zoom class. We also using laptop, keyboard, headphone, mic, internet. So all these are tools. You have also these tools in R. In our daily life or in our lab, we call these tools instrument. Tools are known as instrument, machines, tool, instrument, and machines. But in the language of R, these tools, these instruments are known as packages. Tools and instruments are known as packages. Similarly, in our lab, we need tools for performing any task. Similarly, in R, you also need tools for performing any task. For example, you want to import your file, you need a tool. You want to draw graph, you need a tool. You want to perform ANOVA, you need a tool. You want to perform regression, you need a tool. So for each and every analysis, you need tools. So if you check or if you check the availability of tools in your RStudio lab, you can click on screen number 4. Please all participants click on screen number 4. Click on packages. So here is the list of tools, all available machinery in your RStudio lab, which you can use to perform each and every task. Here is the list of all tools which are available in your RStudio lab. Now, for example, your supervisor give a task. Your today task is please import Excel file in R. When you are given any task in lab, in your laptop or in your R programming, first question should be arise in your mind. Two questions should be arise in your mind. First question should be which package, which tool will be used for to import Excel file. Second question, is this tool available in your lab or in RStudio lab? In RStudio. So these two questions should be arised in your mind for each and every task. Now your second task is, first task import Excel file in R. Second task create bar graph. Create bar graph. Again, two questions should be arise in your mind. Which tool will be used for bar graph and Is this tool available in R or not? So you need to answer of these questions. For example, you want to import Excel file in R. So your first task is import Excel file. The first question should be arised in your mind. Which tool will be used to import Excel file? Which tool will be used to import Excel file? The answer is you can use read Excel. You can use read Excel. Read Excel. Second question we need to confirm, is it available in RStudio? Package name, machine name, read Excel. This machine will be used, will able to import Excel file in our programming in RStudio. So second question, is it available? Here your answer may be yes or no. Your answer may be yes or maybe no. No. Please all participants come on screen number 4. Click on packages. Click on packages button and search here read XL and search here read XL. In my case, read XL is available. So I am typing here yes. My answer is yes, I have read Excel. So please all participants confirm. Have you this tool? If you have, type yes. If you don't have, type no. So my answer is no. Please all participants confirm. After searching here, if you get a name read Excel here, it means you have this package. If it not appeared, it means you don't have this tool, you don't have this package. So type no. Please all participants click on screen number 4 packages and click on and search here read Excel. So some participant answer is yes, some participant answer is no. Okay. Now if your answer is yes, if your answer is yes, then you need to do library. Library. What is mean by library? Because R is a programming language and R also have a vocabulary. So library mean turn on, activate. Similarly, when you want to use any machine, you need to turn on. You want to use your mobile phone, first you need to turn on. You want to use your laptop, first you need to turn on your laptop. So all these packages are also like a machine. You need to turn on. So for turn on, we will use a word library because library is the word of our language. It's mean turn on or activate. No, but some participant answer is no. So if your answer is no, then you need to install or arrange this tool. Install this tool. So for installation, we have multiple methods. For installation, we have multiple methods. Today we will learn first method from RCran. You can install packages from RCran, from GitHub, and from BIOS manager. BIOS manager. So although we have other sources like some websites or Google also a big source for these tools, but authentic sources are RCran, GitHub, and BioC Okay, sorry. We are talking about we need three methods for installation. First is RCran, GitHub, and BioC. So today we will learn how to install packages from RCran. So ReadXL is available in RCran. So we will install this package from RCran. So for installation, you need to come on screen number 4, click on Packages button. Here is the Install button. With Packages, you can find a button labeled with Installed. So please, all participants, click on this Install button. It will show you a window. Install from. Here you can say repository CRAN or CRAN. Here you need to find package name. Give package name here. Read Excel. Read Excel. And click on Install button. But clicking on Install button, before clicking on this, you can see another button, Install Dependencies. So here are two terms, packages, click on installation, uh, two terms, packages, and second is dependencies. Dependencies. So packages are like a machine, like a tool. For example, your laptop is a tool. Dependency is the accessories like laptop charger, headphone, USB, power cable. So all these are dependencies. Similarly, Read Excel is a package, is a machine, and it also have a charger, headphone, power cable. So you need dependency to turn on this package. So always click tick on this button dependencies. When you run this installation process, it will show you red lines in screen number 2, and at the end it will give you a message, package read Excel successfully unpacked and MD5 sum checked. So please, all participants which don't have read Excel, install this process and let me know, have you done it successfully or not, and no, read Excel is visible in screen number 4 or not. I have done installation process, so I am typing here done, especially Peter and Sane, Man Sane. Please let me know, have you done? Have you installed read Excel package? Okay. Now today class topic was what is RStudio, what is working directory, what is package, what are packages, how to install packages, how to activate packages. For activation, you need to turn on library, select library, and your package name, read, select Excel, and run. When you run this line, it will show you a tick mark with your package. It's mean you have done activation process. Now my package is activate. Now my package is turned on. Okay, some participants are very zero in our programming. So today we have learned some basic things. In our first three classes, we will learn some basic things: how to read, write, and edit, read, write, edit, and generate script. We will learn these three skills: reading, writing, editing, generating. And in our next week, we will start RNA-seq analysis. So we have 2 days. Our class is scheduled from Friday to Sunday. So we today we already learned some basic things. In our tomorrow class, we will also learn some basic things, and in our Sunday class, we will also learn some basic things about R. And after 3 days, you will be able to write, read, edit, and generate R script. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.